Assalamualaikum guys, and welcome back to another video. Hope everyone is doing well. If it's your first time here, my name is Zainab and you are welcome. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make delicious and healthy beef patty, which is so easy to prepare. So keep watching and let's get started. To make our beef patties, we'll need 300 grams of beef mince, 1 medium chopped onion, fresh coriander, 1 egg, half teaspoon of paprika powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of chili flakes, half teaspoon of chopped green chili, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 tablespoon of ginger and garlic paste, 1 tomato, half teaspoon of cumin powder, and also we'll need 1 tablespoon of meat spice and oil for frying. Because we don't need too much liquid in this recipe, I'm going to remove all the onion juice out. So adding salt is going to help soften the onion very fast and easily I can remove all the onion juice out. So I'm going to just cover after mixing and then leave it for 10 minutes. It's after 10 minutes now. I'm going to take my clean cloth and throw the onion into it, and then I'm going to squeeze it until all the onion juice is out. Okay, now that I'm done, I'm going to add the onion into a mince bowl, and also I'm going to add all the spices. Now that everything is in there, I'm going to mix it to combine everything well. Our mince is perfectly done, and as you can see, it's not too soft. This is the consistency we need. So if you want this recipe to be perfect, you have to avoid adding too much liquid. And also, if you are a person who don't like eggs, you can skip it. The reason why I'm adding egg is just to bring the ingredient together so it can stick together when you are shaping. You can just add about 1 tablespoon of corn flour in your mince instead of adding egg. It's depending of how much mince you are making. And also, it's not like you have to make it same time. You can keep it in the refrigerator for later or for the next day. When you are shaping your mince, make sure it's small and also it's flat, because if it's too thick, it won't be able to cook through easily. And for frying, you have to add a little bit of oil, and you have to fry in low to medium heat. To see if your patty is ready or not, you have to press it down as I'm doing there, and if some liquid come out from the patty, it means it's not ready. If not, that's mean your patty is ready. As you can see, there's liquid coming out from the patty, so you have to continue cooking until it's perfectly done. I just love my patties when it's nicely brown, but some people they like it half done, so you guys can fry anyhow you like. I love my patties when it's brown, guys. So it's done now. This is exactly how I like mine, and I'm going to remove now from the pan, and I'm going to place that in the paper towel and finish the rest. Okay guys, I'm done frying my patties and this came out so well. I'm super excited. So guys, if you have no idea what you can make for lunch, for dinner, try this recipe guys. It's so easy and it's very quick. You don't need to marinate anything. You just have to mix everything and you are good to go. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you did like, don't forget to like, subscribe, and don't forget to share as well. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.